Hello, I'm Rick Harrison with Rick Harrison Site Design Studio over here in Minneapolis. I'm inviting you to a very unique workshop on February 21st in Dallas and February 23rd in the San Antonio, Austin area, in which we're inviting the area developers and also city leaders to a very unique workshop on innovative market-proven methods for cities to grow. These methods have demonstrated an average 25% reduction of infrastructure compared to the conventional methods that your cities are currently using, which can solve many of the issues cities are facing with growth, especially in Texas. Currently, there are about 100 developments in Texas that we have designed, including Talise, which is a 25 square mile new city north of Laredo. This 4-hour workshop is interactive, and you will leave that workshop with a wealth of knowledge that'll help you lead a new era of growth. Because these methods significantly reduce the amount of infrastructure and cost to develop land, it helps solve the housing affordability problem without forcing the future residents of your city for affordable housing to live in substandard structures. You'll not only learn how to recognize waste typical in new development submittals, but you'll learn how to communicate that waste back to the submitter so that the submitter can take action to reduce that waste and increase area for where people live and less pavement for where cars drive. We'll show you how to increase the pedestrian connectivity and safety without destroying vehicular connectivity. In fact, these new methods will significantly reduce the time and energy used in transit. We'll also show you how cities can showcase their housing better by using new zoning transitions that are also market proven this past 25 years. We also will show cities how they could regulate better and also bring new technologies into the Planning Commission and Council so they could better judge new developments. So this is an opportunity that you probably don't want to miss. We invite the city leaders, planning commissions, and councils to attend this very important workshop. Seating is limited, so please contact us if you're interested as soon as possible.